Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for a complex number. So kindly refers to the question, given we have the z with a complex number. First up, find the z square. In the form of a plus bi, we can consider this one as Cartesian form and also expressed in polar form. So let's begin. We have the z square. So the meaning of the z square means that we have 1 plus 2i, 1 minus 2i for 2 times. So kindly refers to the numerator. We have the multiplication. So kindly expand the situation where we have 1 plus with the 4i minus 4 over refers to the denominator. Again, we have the multiplication of complex number. So we have 1 minus 4i and then we have minus 4. So kindly simplify the situation and we will have z square, which is equals to negative 3 plus 4i over negative 3 minus 4i. So notice that z square is a division situation. So what we have to do is to multiply with the conjugate. So kindly refers to the denominator. So what we have to do is to rationalize the situation or make it become real number. So multiply with the conjugate. So in here we have negative, so the conjugate will be positive. So next is to expand the situation where we have refers to the numerator. So we have 9 minus 12i minus 12i and then we have negative 16. Next is to refers to the denominator. Notice that we have to multiply by the conjugate to each other. So we can apply the formula, which is the a squared plus b squared. So in this part will be 9 plus with the 16. Kindly simplify the situation. We have the z square, which is equals to 9 minus 16. So here we have negative 7, negative 12i minus 12i. So we will have negative 24i over 9 plus with the 16, we have 25. So refers to the question, they said in the Cartesian form, a plus bi. So z square will be equals to negative 7 over 25 minus 24i over 25. So that is the Cartesian form. Next is to express in polar form. So at first, what we have to do is to illustrate the situation in an Argand diagram. So kindly refers to the z square where we have negative 7 over 25, which is located on the left-hand side of the x-axis. And we have negative 24 over 25, which is the imaginary axis. Negative. So we have the lower part. So the situation will be in this part. So where we have the z square. Next, what we have to do is to find the r, where we have the formula. The modulus of z square will be equals to square root of a squared plus b squared. So in here we have 7 over 25 bracket squared plus we have 24 over 25 bracket squared. So we have 49 over 625 plus 576 over 625. So finally, we will have the situation 1 for the modulus of z square. Next is to find the basic angle. So as we all know, tangent alpha, which is equals to y over x. So do remember, ignore the negative sign. So we have 24 over 25 over, we have 7 over 25. So tangent alpha will be equals to 24 over 7. So in this case, we have the basic angle or the alpha, which is 73.74 degree. So kindly refers to the Argand diagram. So here we have the alpha, which is 73.74 degree. Next, what we have to do is to find the argument. So where is the argument? Refers to the 0. So here will be the starting point, and this one will be the argument of z square. So in here, we have the situation. Start from here until this part, where we have the situation argument of z square, which is equals to negative 180. So now we have to minus this part, where we have the alpha or the basic angle. So plus, we have 73.74 degree, because in the opposite situation. So finally, the argument of z square will be negative 106.74 26 degree. So kindly convert the situation in the form of radian. So we will have negative 1.85 radian. So kindly express in the polar form. So the answer will be z squared, which is equals to, we have the r, which is equals to 1. So we have the cos bracket negative 1.85 plus the I sine, we have negative 1.85 radian. So that will be the polar form. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.